Hi guys, we have just arrived. We're going to be taking the cable car, I think, in Greenwich. So we actually are going to Comic Con. So yeah, it's an exciting time. First time some of us are doing it. So, yeah, we're just here at Comic Con. A little bit of the scenery. We're going to be taking the cable car. So yeah, kind of exciting because I don't think any of us have done like the cable car. So kind of scary. I'm not even going to lie, but. Yeah, so it's just me, Sarai, and Aaron. He's got his outfit. I can't tell you who he is, but I'm sure he will say. And I've got my little Black Widow decor or whatever. So yeah, we're going to be going to the cable car. Get Aaron and his little outfit. Doesn't he look proper, huh? It's a very windy time, so look him just holding his wig.
Right, we're going up now. Not me about to drop. Oh wow, okay. So these are the cable cars. Okay, just supposed to go in. Oh, I don't like it.
Oh my gosh. Why is it wobbly?
I don't like this, Aaron. Okay, we're inside, guys.
The doors close automatically, I think.
So when we get round. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh no. Oh my gosh, it's so wobbly.
Oh my days.
Oh.
Okay, God's got us. It's all right.
Oh my gosh.
Is it? What is for
Oh wow, look at the view though. Aaron, if we drop. Wow.
Wow.
So Greenwich, guys.
Why is he standing
Greenwich.
up? He's crazy.
Greenwich, London.
Yeah, it says the rules.
Oh, okay.
Let's get all the view. Oh my gosh, this thing is wobbly though.
The river's so dirty.
Yeah, ignore that. The water is dirty. Oh my days, Aaron. Look how high it is. Oh my gosh. Pray for us, guys.
Okay, we're halfway there.
Halfway?
Yes, I think so. Wow,
Oh
we're very high.
gosh.
We're over the river now. So why is it slowed down?
So this is River Thames, Leo.
Yeah, this is River Thames.
Right, this is the River Thames, guys. I mean, the view is lovely though.
Look, you can see we're not even too far from the plane.
Yeah, the view is really nice. Oh my gosh, we're going down.
No, we're not.
Oh my gosh. How fast is it gonna go?
It's the same speed.
I don't know what Aaron's gotten us into, guys.
You can't do this if you're afraid of heights, boy.
I mean,
Yeah, but you can't look down. Well,
don't like my
you can, but
okay, we made it, guys. Off. Yeah, we're on to XL now.
Right guys, we are obviously off the cable car and we're just walking to Comic Con now. So we're up to. So it's at the XL in London. So yeah, we've already seen some people in their nice outfits. Yeah, we're just on our way. Yeah, we'll see what's right here. So yeah, we'll see you guys in there.
Hi guys, just a quick announcement. Well, first of all, I want to thank you all for allowing us to get to 100 subscribers. Obviously it's a big milestone for us, and we're really excited, and we're grateful to all of you as well. Stick around to the end of this vlog for our announcement, for our official announcement. Yeah, and we'll see you then. Oh, Dragon Ball Z. Can we go here? Huh? Right, guys, we're inside now, but we've been walking around for ages. Do you see what I mean, Arona? Oh my gosh. Guys, we're at the I think this is just games. Look what we found.
I got my PlayStation.
Meet the Robertson PlayStation game. Nothing? We're looking for Crash Bash, guys, but yeah, but I can't even see you. Oh, this is cool. Okay guys, we came across this shop. Oh yeah, we came across this shop. It's called Upper Class, and I thought it'd be interesting to see for the Disney fans, if you know, like, because the title is a Disney reference to a character, and that's all I'm going to give you. So yeah, comment down below if you know who the character is. I saw it straight away and my mind went straight there. So anyway, I'm not giving you any teasers or clues. Comment down below if you know who the character is. Hey guys, so we are home. I mean, we've been home for a little while, but this is just really to close off the vlog. Let you know how you guys thought about the day. I mean, it was me and Leah's first time at Comic-Con. Like, Aaron's been, I think, once or twice before in previous years. And obviously Comic-Con, the whole Comic-Con event at XL London is it's a 3-day event. So it's from Friday to Sunday, which is today at the time that we're recording this vlog. Me and Leah were supposed to go on Friday and today, but Friday it ended up being a change of plans, so we only went today. And yeah, I mean, I can confidently tell you that this is definitely Aaron's thing over myself and Leah's. We didn't like it at all, guys. Like, let me be honest. I mean, any of you from London go to Comic-Con every year, or have you been, or, you know, this is our first time and we were just not impressed. It just wasn't our thing. Like, it just, honestly, it just wasn't our thing. We are not really anime girls. Like, for me, I love a Dragon Ball, like Dragon Ball Z, Dragon Ball Super. I do love a Dragon Ball, but that's pretty much the only anime that I actually follow, and that I actually like. So, I mean, not my clothes at the back there. Yeah, so ignore that. But yeah, so I'll say that in terms of that, I mean, look at my clothes at the back, guys. Oh my gosh, that's snow. Yeah, but with that, I would say that it just wasn't our thing. Like, we were walking around thinking, oh my gosh, like there's just nothing here for us. The cable cars, first time being on the cable cars, I can say it was okay. Like, the scenery was really nice, as you guys will be able to see earlier in the vlog. The scenery was really nice over Greenwich and over London, but it was very shaky, like almost like turbulence almost, and just, yeah, wasn't for that. And the journey back to around where the O2 is, the journey back there, like they literally stopped us in the middle of the journey over the river. But I don't, yeah, I think, actually, no, I think we stopped above the river, just like, yeah, but it was coming towards the end, but they stopped us in the middle because I think there was too much cable cars on the line. So, I don't know, maybe it's security, you know, maybe it can't get too heavy or something, I don't really know. But, so that wasn't fun. That was not fun, and I already don't like heights, so yeah, that was not fun for me. But otherwise, the cable cars were okay. Comic-Con in general, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I'll be going again. But we saw some really, really nice costumes. People really went all out, and it was really nice. So I definitely think that if we were to go again, I know me and Leah both said it, if we were to go again, then we would definitely dress up for it. But otherwise, yeah, it just, yeah, wasn't my thing. Yeah, that's really it. But also, as I mentioned earlier on in the vlog, our announcement, so our official announcement is basically we are going to be doing a giveaway. It is a way of us celebrating reaching 100 subscribers on our channel on Patten Time, and it's a way of us giving back to our viewers and our subscribers and people that have joined our family. It's a way of us giving back and telling you guys that we love you and that we appreciate you. Yeah, it's just really our way of saying thank you, really, because for all those people that have joined us, that you didn't need to be supporting us and commenting on our videos. So this giveaway is our way of saying thank you. So instructions, so there will be two winners, and we do plan on doing two £50 Amazon vouchers. So instructions of joining in on the giveaway, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, make sure that you've got post notifications on, and make sure you are following us on all of our socials. So that's at the moment TikTok and Instagram, and of course, like I said, subscribe to our channel, post notifications, and all you have to do really is just comment down below when you've done all of those things. Let us know if you've got post notifications on, let us know that you're following us on our socials, and you will be entered into the giveaway, and we will take it from there. Yeah, any further announcements, obviously, of course, winners, we will let you know accordingly. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for you know, sticking with us on this journey, and we are very new, so thank you for your support. Thank you for watching our content, subscribing to our channel, liking our videos, commenting on our videos. Thank you all so much for all of it. It really means a lot to us, and we love responding to your comments. We love chatting with you under, you know, relating to our videos. Yeah, we love it. I mean, it was one of the things that we were super excited for when we decided to even start our channel. So yeah, so thank you guys so much. We really appreciate you, and stay tuned for upcoming content, reviews, reactions, whatever it is that we are bringing to the table. Stay tuned for future videos. If you like this vlog, if this is something that you're into, let us know in the comments below as well, because if it is something that you're into, then we may try and incorporate more of it into our channel. We definitely want to be showing you guys more of us as a family, either on our socials or even on our YouTube channel. I can't speak. Or either on our YouTube channel. We definitely want to be showing you guys more of how we are as a family, and we're excited for you guys to see that. So once again, thank you so much, guys, and we will see you in our next video. Patten time out.